All right, we are going to continue working on word problems in Chapter 5. I've moved on to Section 2 out of Chapter 5 and went to problem number 41 called agriculture. It's right here. A farmer has 1,200 acres of land in which he grows corn, wheat, and soybeans. It costs $4,500 per acre to grow corn, $60 to grow wheat, and $50 to grow soybeans because of the market demand. The farmer will grow twice as many acres of wheat as corn. He has allocated $63,750 for the cost of growing his crops. How many acres of each crop should be planted? To solve this problem, we are going to set a system of equations. The first equation will be x plus y plus z is the same as 1,200. And what that means is we're going to let, so over here I should say x equals the corn, y equals the soybeans, and then let me double check that. Um, so corn, wheat, and soybeans. So this should be the wheat, and we're going to let z equal the soybeans. All right, and so what we're saying is that the sum of all the corn plus all the wheat plus all the soybeans is 1,200 acres. The second part of this says it costs $45 per acre to grow corn. And I'm going to write this down as I say it. $45 of acre for corn, it's $60 for the wheat, and it's $50 for the soybeans. And we're allocating $63,750 for the price of the grain. All right. And then the third one's a little tricky. Let me read it to you again. Because of market demand, the farmer will grow twice as many acres of wheat as corn. So let me write it down and make sense of it. So it should be y is equal to 2x. So we're saying that the amount of wheat, which is y, is going to be twice the amount of corn, which is x. So here's our system. It's 3 variables and 3 unknowns. So we're going to use substitution. I'm going to take this 2x and replace each of these y's with the 2x. So it looks like this. It's going to be x plus 2 times 2x plus z is the same as 1,200, and then 45x plus 60 times 2x plus 50z is the same as the 63,750. And so you can see I rewrote the first 2 equations. If I call this equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3, I'm using substitution to rewrite equations 1 and 2. So then what we have here is, should just be 2x. Yeah, so what we have here is we have x plus 2x, so that's just 3x, plus z is the 1,200, and then these two 45x plus 140x, that's equal to 165x's, and then plus 50z is the same as 63,750. All right, so here's my system now. I have reduced the problem to solving 2 equations with 2 variables. I'm going to solve with elimination. I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative 50. So that's negative 150x minus 50z is the same as negative 60,000. And then I'm going to add that to the second equation, and these z's will be eliminated. All right, so let's see. So what you can see here is so if this is equation 4 and equation 5, I've multiplied equation 4 by negative 50. And then that'll give me 50 x's is the same as 3,750 divided by 15x is 250. Up here we said that y is twice of x, so that means y is 500. And we know that x plus y plus z is equal to 1,200, so that would leave 450 for y. So that is the solution to the agriculture problem.